Here's another great question, and let's go through this really quickly. It says determine the inequality. Remember, look at the style line that you have here. It's a dotted line, means you got to use that one or that one. Also, remember a couple other things. This is a line, so that's going to follow the y equals to mx plus b idea. But again, there's your fence. This is your fence right here. And if you notice, all your values are above your fence. So here's your values. Here's your fence. You want the values to be bigger than your fence. It's going to look like this. So now what? Okay. There's your intercept at 2. Okay, there's your b value. Try to find another point in the graph that works. Oh, here's a pretty point. That should allow us to figure out our intercept really, really easy. Or I should say our slope really, really easily. Look at this. Down 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 3, over 4. There it is. That's what the inequality should look like. Perfectly like that. Let's plot this on our calculator. Remember our calculator, minus 3/4 x plus 2 does not show a dotted line. So this is minus 3/4 x. Always put fractions in brackets. Plus 2. There it is. Okay, graph it. Boom. There's our line. Again, it does not show a pretty line. It shows a solid line. So what are we going to do? Very, very simple. Go into here, into your y equals 2. We want to show the shading. Check the shading. The shading is above. So that means go into y equals 2, mouse over to here, hit enter, change that to shading above. There it is. Hit OK, and now graph it again. Boom. There it is, showing you the shading above. And again, unfortunately, this graphing calculator only gives solid lines, so we know that it's a dotted line like this all the way down. But the nice thing is we can use this graphing calculator and compare it to our answer, which is here, and they look identical. So the nice thing about having the graphic calculator in your back pocket is this will verify all the work that you've done.